Hello guys, I have Samsung S22 Ultra. You can see it here is the LCD is blinking, LCD is cracked inside and glass also cracked. So I'm going to show you how to replace that. Let me remove the pen, and now we're going to remove the SIM card. Now we're going to remove the back cover, apply some heat on top. We try to turn off the phone, but we couldn't turn off because touch is not working. We are almost done. Remove the back cover. Here we remove it. Keep it on side. Now we're gonna remove the screw. Now we're gonna remove the wireless charger pad. Just lifting up, and there is two connection. Just lifting up slowly. There is two connection. Now we're gonna remove the battery connection, screen connection, and this is charging port connection, and antenna connection, and this 5G antenna connection. Now you're gonna remove the 5G antenna, apply some heat, and it's come out easily. Yes. There is couple of screw more, 4 screw here. We have to remove it, and we have to remove this plastic panel. If there is one connection, we have to remove it, and with the finger just pop out. Now we're gonna remove the bottom plastic panel. With the finger just pop out, it's come out. Now we're gonna remove the charging port. There is 3 screw, we have to remove it. One more here. With the finger we just pull it up, it's come out easily. Yes, it's come out. Keep it on side. Now we're gonna remove the camera connection. There is one more screw. Beside the camera, we have to remove that one. And we're gonna remove this connection and this antenna connection, 5G antenna connection, and this one is another screen connection. Now we're gonna remove the 5G antenna connection, apply some heat, and pull it up. That's it. Now I'm gonna remove the motherboard. Just pull it up with the with the knife. It's come out easily. Now I'm gonna remove the camera. This original front camera, we have to remove it. Apply some heat behind and side of the camera, not top of the camera. There is some glue, we have to remove it. After remove the glue, it's come out easily. Yeah, yes, come out easily now. Now we have to remove the speaker. There is 2 screws, we have to remove it. Yes, it's come out. Here is new screen. This comes with volume button and power button, so we don't need to remove volume button and power plugs from old screen. Now we're gonna install this speaker on new screen. Now we're gonna install the motherboard. Just press yes. Now I'm gonna install the screw on beside the camera. Now I'm gonna connect to the screen connection, one up screen connection and this fan connection, and the 5G antenna connection we're gonna install and connect it. Now you're gonna insert the camera. We're gonna install the camera. This is the front camera. Now we're gonna install another antenna here, 5G antenna. And put a screw. Wow, it's not going inside. What happened here? There is one instruction comes with the screen. It say that different between Northern and European model. So we have to back this two side and install that one. There is 2 screw connection hole here, so we have to break this and install on the frame. Yes, it's now it goes in, and we don't need to put the screw. We're gonna put some glue on downside. And install. That's it. So we don't need to put the screw. We don't need to put this screw now. So now we're gonna remove the LCD connection here and remove the battery. Apply some alcohol on side. Leave it on couple of minutes, 1 minute is better, and pull it up with the knife. Just pull it up and again use the alcohol, so alcohol goes inside the battery, not inside, like under the battery. And when it's lifting up a little bit, we're gonna use the plastic tools. Yes, it's come out now. So we're gonna clean the glue, previous glue, and make even the battery with the plastic tools. like that. Just slide it down, so it's gonna be make, if it's any up and down, is gonna be make even battery. Some double side tape on there and install the battery. See, it's connected or not? Yes, it's connected. Now you're gonna remove the battery connection again. Okay, now we're gonna connect the screen connection. UB is on downside. Yeah, this UB will be downside screen connection. And main is on top side. You're gonna connect the 5G antenna connection. Now you're gonna install the charging port. Now I'm gonna put it back 3 screw here. Now I'm gonna connect the charging port connection. Sorry, my camera doesn't show up. There is one plastic panel. You have to screw it. There is 3 screw. Later on I'm gonna show you. And now we're gonna put it back bottom panel, this plastic panel. Now we're gonna put it charging wireless charger pad. Before wireless charger pad, we're gonna connect the battery because it goes under that. And there is 2 connection. We have to install. We have to connect it. Yeah, we connected that too. Now we're gonna put it back all the screw. You can see here is plastic panel on the arrow red. This doesn't show up on our camera. We all done a screw. Now we're gonna put it back the pin, and we're gonna insert the SIM card. Yeah, done. Insert the SIM card. Now we're gonna turn on the phone and make sure is phone screen is working properly. Touch everything. It's turning on. Yes, it's turning on. Now we're gonna check the screen. Swipe up. Go to emergency. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Still 0 hash. Yeah, it's working properly. This looks good. Now we're gonna install the back cover. And we want to put the glue because previous back cover has a glue on it. We remove nicely, so we don't need to put the new glue. We just put some heat behind the back cover, so glue will be melted and sticky will be good. We just did it and install on the frame. Make sure it's on center. Now we're gonna put back more heat on top of that, so glue will be more sticky. With the paper towel, we're gonna press it down, and now we're gonna clean it, and looking good. Yeah, that's all right now. Let me know how you like this video, and thank you for watching.